Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today I have a LANCEL semi-automatic petrol lighter. See there on the bottom it is stamped LANCEL Bte. I'm not sure what that is short for. And then SGDG, which you see on a lot of, well, probably all French lighters of this, from this era, but it seems like you see that on German lighters as well. Maybe somebody can correct me on that. Then 7522 FAB, France. As far as the design on the lighter, I'm certain that this is Art Deco. But I am not certain if this is engine turned or not. These LANCEL have a very substantial flint spring screw. A little bit more to it than there are a lot of lighters. This is the first time I've seen this that I can recall. This doesn't thread in, it's just a sleeve that spare flint fits in, and then that slides up in there. So pretty nifty without the there's probably some kind of heat treated metal with that spring tension there. I don't know, maybe not. Considering what its function is, maybe it wasn't necessary. But they definitely also did not have to go through the trouble of threading both pieces, so it works just the same. This lighter definitely has been marred up a little bit with some tools. Definitely has wear, scuffs, scrapes. Dents, dings, general wear of use. like the design. I always think it's interesting how there will be a design on one side and then maybe it'll be plain on the other, or that would make sense. But to do two designs, but I guess maybe having a design on each side, especially a lighter like this, it's got a pretty good jump to it when you actuate it. You might need to have a hold of it, kind of like a Thorns. Definitely got something to find purchase there with your fingers. But anyway, it does have the more intricate design on this side, and then just sort of a barred pattern on the other side. But despite the wear and the use, very good lighter in good working condition, and nice cosmetic condition. Definitely not mint. Definitely one that if you want to put it in your pocket and carry it around and use it, there would be no shame in that. But also, nothing wrong with setting it on the shelf and just lighting it up for special occasions. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video that you're watching, tell your friends about the channel, hit the share button, send them a link there in a text or email, social media, however it is that you communicate with people, and let them get a look at it for themselves. If you have any questions or comments, or just want to say hello, comment below. Especially if you have questions about how to fix a particular lighter, or something that you saw in the video that was not explained, ask down below. And also, if you would like us on social media, that'd be Dependable Flame and DependableFlame.com on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. Follow us also on eBay. And stay tuned.